Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to request movies Netflix application in computer. So how to request movies Netflix application in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Netflix application on your computer. Well, this is on the initial Netflix display. To request a movie on Netflix, first, open the Netflix application or site and scroll to the bottom of the main page. Keep scrolling until you find the menu options. After that, tap on the Help Center option. Automatically, the page will open in your computer's browser. On the Help Center page, scroll down again until you find the Request a TV show or movie option. Click on that section, and you will be directed to enter 3 movie or show titles that you want to request. Type the title of the movie you want. For example, I want to request a movie with the title that you are looking for. When finished, tap Send Suggestions to send your request. The request sending process is now complete, and you will receive an email from Netflix confirming your request. So that's it, the tutorial how to request movies Netflix application in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.